Hi, this is Vizi Pro Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change region on Temu app. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. How to change region on Temu. Temu is a popular e-commerce platform that allows users to buy products directly from manufacturers at wholesale prices. One of the best features of Temu is that it has different regional stores for various countries. So if you are traveling or moving to a new country, you may want to change your Temu region to access the local store and enjoy better deals. Here's in this video I will show you how to do it. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Temu app. Through that, you can go to the settings by tap on your profile in here you section. Now you can go to the settings by tap on the upper right corner here, and you'll find there is an option country and region. You can just tap on that, and here you can change the country and your region. There's so many regions that you can use, like Australia, Belgium, Finlandia, Greece. For example, I will try to switch to Australia. Do you want to shop in Australia? After switching, you will need to register or sign in again. Okay, you can just tap on switch, and you'll need to sign in with your to your account again. You can wait, and now you can use your Temu with your new region, but before that you can just verify the security. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change region on Temu. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!